Hello students, so in today's lecture we will start the ellipse drawing algorithm. So before starting the algorithm, let us understand what are the types of ellipse and how we will plot the ellipse. So there are two types of ellipse. The one is horizontal ellipse and the second one is vertical ellipse. So this is vertical ellipse, and this is horizontal ellipse. And the difference between in both horizontal and vertical ellipse is that the value of x radius and y radius. So let's suppose that this is xr, that is x radius, and this is yr, that is y radius from here to here, and from center to this point is x radius. Okay, and similarly in this figure also we are having this as xr till here to here, and this is yr. So in vertical ellipse, xr is less than yr, and in horizontal ellipse, xr is greater than yr. ठीक है, तो अब if the case is xr equal to yr, xr and this yr, xr equal to yr, तो xr equal to yr क्या होता है, ये सर्कल बना देता है. So in this case we have studied midpoint circle drawing algorithm and Bressenham circle drawing algorithm. So in the similar way we will also plot the ellipse. First of all we have to make the first octant or first quadrant. In this we have to make the first quadrant, that is we will start from 0 comma yr, and we will go till in this clockwise direction, we will come till here xr comma 0. तो स्टार्ट पॉइंट क्या होगा क्वाड्रेंट 1 का 0 comma yr, and the end point is xr comma 0. तो ये first quadrant, we have made the first quadrant, and with the help of circle symmetry we will plot the or we can draw all the three quadrants, that are the quadrants 2, 3 and 4. So let's start how to plot these points in quadrant 1. So there are two methods of defining an ellipse. The first one is polynomial method of defining an ellipse, and the second one is trigonometric method of defining an ellipse. So let's see that both the methods, that how we will use. The first one is polynomial method. So the ellipse has a major and minor axis, and if A1 and B1 are major and minor axis respectively, so in horizontal ellipse we are having x as major, जो भी बड़ा होगा वो major axis होगा, ठीक है. तो and in vertical ellipse the y is major axis. Okay, so the center of ellipse is I comma j, and the value of x will be incremented from I to a1. That means from I, this is the center, in this figure this is center, and in this figure this is the center. और ये कहाँ से कहाँ मूव करेगा, दिस विल मूव फ्रॉम I to a1, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. इन दिस फिगर फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, एंड इन दिस फिगर फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. दिस विल मूव फ्रॉम दिस साइड, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y विल बी कैलकुलेटेड यूजिंग, और ये जो वैल्यू ऑफ y है y एक्सिस का, ये in each point what will be the value of y. तो y equal to b1 underscore or root 1 minus x minus I divided by a1 square plus j. We will solve all this using one example in the tutorial class. So the drawbacks of this polynomial method is that it requires squaring of value, so floating point calculation is required. तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर करना पड़ता है, that increases the complexity of the program, and routines developed for such calculations are very complex and slow. So while calculating the square root and calculating the square, we will it is very much complex. So let's move on to the second method, that is the trigonometric method. So the following equation defines an ellipse trigonometrically as shown in figure. So these are the points where a is the major axis, b is the minor axis, theta is the current angle. So theta changes from point to point when the point of the ellipse will change. So that now this is theta, now this is theta. तो ऐसे theta कम और ज़्यादा होगा. And h, k equal to ellipse center, that is this is the center of the ellipse. So it's not only possible that the ellipse start from 0 comma 0. Here the center could be h comma k, any value that can be represented in two coordinates. And in this method the value of theta is varied from 0 to pi by 2. 0 that means this, and pi by 2 upon here, 0 and pi by 2. So the remaining points are found by symmetry. तो क्या होता है 0 से 90 डिग्री जब हम कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं तो रेस्ट ऑफ द पॉइंट्स विच आर टू बी प्लॉटेड इन क्वाड्रेंट 2, 3 and 4 is find by the help of ellipse symmetry. So what are the drawbacks of this trigonometric method? Let's see that. So this is an inefficient method and it is not an interactive method for generating ellipse. Why this is not interactive method? Because the value of theta is increasing according to the cos theta and sin theta, and it is not dependent on the value of a and b. Okay, so the table is required to see the trigonometric value. Yes, here in the last case we were having the square root and square, we have to find that, so it was very complex. And but in this one we have to calculate, or we have to see the table of cos theta and sin theta for the different values of theta, and memory is required to store the value of theta. So here an extra memory is required to store the value of theta. So this is not such a used method. So the one method which we will use in our lecture is that the midpoint algorithm for drawing the ellipse. So in the next video we will go through the midpoint ellipse algorithm. Thank you.